Welcome to our little apartment. We have been living here since November last year. It has been 11 months. So let me show you what you will get for 3,200 in Sunnyvale, California. Once you enter, you will see this area. This is our shoe rack from IKEA. We like it because it doesn't occupy any space in our little place. And then Alex's favorite painting, this horse. And we have our Dyson. We're thinking about upgrading it because it's V6, but you know, it's perfect. Save a lot of space, hang on the wall. And here's our workstation. We have been working from home for almost 7-8 months now. Here you see 4 monitors, but 3 belong to Alex. We normally sit side by side when we're working. And between our chairs, these 2 little cubes are for Mochi and Coco to sleep on when we're working because they like to be hang out with us when we're working. This on the side here is a flight simulator thing that he uses. Here is our cable management cube. So basically we put all the cables, wires and stuff in there so it looks very clean. Here is the cat pooping station. We love this trash can. Simple Humans, the best trash can. Very good, solid quality. Very expensive, but worth the investment. We love it. Now we turn to our open kitchen. Here are some cubes to organize. Hi, Coco. Now we move on to the kitchen. We spend most of our time in this area. Here are our magnet collection. All those magnets are from both of us. And then we turn around. We love this coffee machine. We use it like every day. And we bought it for like less than $400. So we actually was able to recoup the cost 6 months in buying this coffee machine. Best investment. We love it. It makes really good coffee. Turn around. Our second favorite kitchen gadget, which is our air fryer. So you can see here, it's an oven, toaster, and air fryer combined. So we use it on a daily basis as well. Now we're done with kitchen. We'll move on to our living room. We love our living room. The couch is the most comfortable couch. It's from IKEA. Here you see some wall decor. Basically just showing all the places we have lived in the past and the places we want to go. And here is a world map, scratch of all the places we have been, artwork of California, and it shows that we're here. One thing I want to point out is this behind the couch console table. We actually built it ourselves. You know, we have some lights here, make it very pretty, and then here's tons of storage below it. Really good utilize of space in this little apartment. It's our 75-inch TV. We sometimes move the coffee table and do some workout in this area as well. We utilize this area a lot. It's our second storage cube, some snacks, some drinks, and good area to put more stuff. Follow me to our bedroom. When was you sleeping? Sorry, sir. So we love our bedroom. We try to make it very clean and with a little bit of color here and there. So see that overall everything is almost white with a little bit of yellow color here and there. The painting, I got it from Dallas, artist market. We have a little balcony. We have our little hot pot table outside. Yeah, we haven't been able to utilize that much. Maybe we use it once a month. It's a very nice area. We covered all the furniture so it doesn't have a lot of dust. Here is our entertainment center. This is a 55-inch TV and we put all our books. You can see we read a lot. We are readers. And here's my favorite Lego set from Friends that Alex got me last year for my birthday. Here comes my little makeup area. You know, I just put all my makeup right here, and then when I do my makeup, I just sit here and, you know, put makeup on. And I love this jewelry plus mirror thing. I put all my jewelry inside here, so it's very clean, very organized. We move on to this section, which is, you know, where I put my dresser. Here comes to 2 closets. We really like it. So there are one on the right, this is my stuff, and then one on the left, which is Alex's stuff. So it's very convenient. We like the lot of storage in this apartment. Then last but not least, this is our bathroom. It's, you know, a standard bathroom. Very nice, very clean, and quite a bit of storage as well. And, you know, we keep our towels here. We like our bathroom too. So this is our apartment, and we have been here for almost a year, and we'll be moving in a month. We're very sad we're not gonna have a balcony in our new place, but we're very excited as well because it's a very nice apartment and we got a better deal. So I will give you another tour when we move to a new place. Thank you for watching. Bye.